Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. In the first step, simply in the search bar type device manager, and on this window we need to just update the drivers of sound, video and game controllers. So just right click on the your camera drivers, select update drivers and click here. So this will install the latest drivers for the particular device. Then close this window. Now simply search services, click here to open it. Now just find out Windows Update, right click on it and select properties, set startup type as automatic, click on apply and then OK. Once done, we will close this window and go to settings. Just scroll down on the right side and select privacy and security. Then just scroll down and search for camera, and then turn on this option, camera access. After that we need to turn on this option, let apps access your camera. After that turn on this one, let desktop apps access your camera. Once done, we need to close this window. Now we need to just right click on the start icon and select run, and here type in services.msc and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to find out Windows biometric service. Simply select it and click on stop. Once done, go to search bar, type in File Explorer. On this window, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, and here find out System32 folder. Simply double click on it to open it, and here find out WinBio database. Simply open it, and we need to delete this file. Right click on it and select delete. Once done, just close this window and we need to again select Windows biometric service and click on start. Once done, just close this window, go to search bar, and once done, just restart your system. Your problem will be solved and you are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe our channel.